What's up, you guys? It's body transformation expert FitnessWithFlexHERS, and I'm going to start a new series with you that is called The Truth About Fitness. I'm here to help especially all of my beginners that are looking to start a fitness journey, dig through all the fake fitness information that's out there, and I'm here to give you the real raw deal on how to begin a fit lifestyle. So, number one, the biggest misconception that's out there is spot reducing. Now, what does that mean? I get so many clients that come in telling me, I want to get rid of belly fat. What do I do in order to be able to do that? Now, I'm here to tell you that there is no such thing as you being able to choose one spot in your body where you can get rid of body fat. When you get rid of body fat, it's going to happen all around at the same time. Yes, there are different body types where different people hold body fat differently. Some people hold body fat in their hips. Some people hold more body fat in their belly. Some people hold more body fat in their arms. But when you are looking to lose body fat, it's going to happen all around. Beware of those people that are telling you to do a whole bunch of ab workouts to get rid of body fat, because that is a huge misconception. The only way for you to be able to do that is to get some type of surgery where you get a liposuction or you get a BBL. But unless you're doing those types of things, if you're sticking to healthy eating and exercise, you are going to lose body fat all around your body. Love you all.